right, there it is. The new $100 go-kart. It's got a lot of work to be done to it, but between Andrew and myself, I think we can get it. It's a little 6.5, I don't know, it says Power Sport on the side, Tecumseh motor. So we got some work to do, definitely. But there it is, two-seater. And yeah, when we bought it, it was pretty well evident that it had been sitting outside for years. That's obvious. Here's the tires. We gotta replace the little one right here with that little tire because it's obviously bald. There's the back tires. One of them's got water in it. It's this one. Yeah, there's water inside the thing, so it's got to come apart and get that cleaned out and check the rim, see if the rim is bad. But there it sits. You can see they've already replaced one of the front tires. The other one is pretty bald. But shocks work. You can see here on the steering, it's been bottomed out or broken or somehow, but this is bent. We're gonna have to straighten that out. You see what it's supposed to look like. And you see what that side looks like. It's not rubbing, but I put my fat behind on it. I bet it would rub. Anyways, that's what we got for now.